Alright, it took me 20 minutes to get home, and this is the bag that they give you. So I got the classic chicken sandwich and french fries. The other side of the bag, again, chicken sandwich and fries. The box that the sandwich comes in. It's pretty cool. Top of the box. Fries. Looks pretty good. It's pretty tasty. Alright, let's start the review. Let's do french fries first. No ketchup. It's about 20 minutes old. It took me 20 minutes to get home. It's very good. Seasoned very well. Good french fries. Very good, crispy. Real good fries. So let's move on to why everybody's here, the sandwich. Ooh. There it is. Pull it out. It's pretty big. There it is. Wrapped up. Let's give it a bite. It's a little dry. It is 20 minutes old, so the sauce probably, the bun soaked up the sauce. But let me dig deeper. This was very expensive. $13.95 or $14.95 for this sandwich. Very expensive. Two of these sandwiches, one for me, one for my wife, and french fries, was $38. Okay? It's 20 minutes old, so I'm going to give it a point higher. I'm going to give it 4 out of 5. Is it great? No, it's not. Is it bad? It's not bad. It's overpriced for what it is. And It's way overpriced for what it is. It's even more expensive than Shaq's Big Chicken. Is it good as Shaq's Big Chicken? They're pretty much the same to me. Pretty much the same. Both of them are overpriced in my opinion. But yeah, 4 out of 5. There's some extra sauce. Guy Fieri's chicken sandwich. They just opened at Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas. So there's one other sandwich that caught my eye. I'm going to try that one too. I'm going to review it, do a video on it. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Just, overpriced chicken sandwich is what this really is. 4 out of 5. Good, not great. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.